Quaison QS320 Tunnel Multifunctional Drilling Rig has 3600N M Super Torque Dual Pump Confluence Hydraulic System. Efficiently penetrates altered rocks, water-rich faults, and other complex formations. Drilling speed can reach approximately 15 minutes per meter. Modular drill rod supports 3 minutes fast rod change. Greatly improves operation efficiency. Intelligent pressure compensation device. Precisely controlled hole inclination error is less than or equal to 0.5, equipped with a rotary impact power head. Achieve synchronous casing drilling. Effectively prevent hole collapse. Crawler walking chassis. Adapt to 70 steep slope and narrow tunnel space. Dust concentration control less than 8 milligrams per meter cubed. Meet strict environmental protection requirements.